Red Hook doesn't look like a traditional tech hub, and that's exactly why it works. This is a neighborhood where warehouses sit next to studios, ports operate beside creative spaces, and technology has to function in the real world. Take logistics companies like Containerport Group, where real-time shipment visibility and secure data exchange keep cargo moving. Or the Red Hook Container Terminal, where port operations rely on networked scheduling systems, access controls, and equipment monitoring just to keep daily operations running. In environments like these, downtime doesn't stay contained, it ripples fast. That same demand for reliability shows up in creative production. Red Hook Labs supports large-scale photography and video projects for global brands, moving massive files across high-speed networks and cloud platforms. Manufacturing brings another layer of complexity. Cry Precision relies on secure internal networks and design systems to protect sensitive data while supporting precision engineering. And on the retail side, IKEA's Red Hook location operates as a technology-driven distribution and retail system, where inventory platforms, point-of-sale networks, and payment security all have to work without interruption. What connects all of these businesses is a shared focus on reliability. As Robert Shoemaker, President and CEO of Professional Computer Associates, puts it, as technology evolves, what matters most is reliability. The companies that last are the ones whose systems stay up, stay secure, and scale without chaos. That's why strong IT infrastructure and managed IT matter so much in Red Hook. If you want to learn more, check out the full article on our website, and don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist for easy access anytime.